Hello there, Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. Today we're in episode 9 on the 1986 Baja Sunsport 190. We're working on the trailer. Much as the boat wasn't in great shape when I got it, the trailer isn't either. It has problems. It needed wheel bearings greased, electrical didn't work, bunks were rotten. I mean, it goes on and on. I'll let you watch the episode to see what I found. I appreciate you watching, and hope you're having a great day.
I needed to work on the trailer for the jet boat. It was in kind of poor condition. Lights didn't work. The tires were kind of worn out. I had a broken bunk. So I was lucky enough to have access to a boat lift so I could get the boat off the trailer so I could work on it. First thing I did was pull the wheels off the trailer. It had some old bearing buddies on them. I pulled the hubs off, greased the bearings, reinstalled the hubs, and then put brand new bearing buddies on the wheels. While I was working on the wheels, I noticed the tires were checked. Otherwise, the rubber was getting cracks. Basically, they were old. They were probably the original tires. The chrome wheels had rusted out. So I went to my favorite boat store. Well, I have two favorite boat stores, Amazon and Home Depot. I went to Amazon and bought new trailer tires, and they came mounted already on the rims. So while I was shopping for tires for the trailer at Amazon, I also bought an additional tire and also a spare tire attachment for the trailer. My next task was to fix the bunks. Mainly, as you can see, the bunks on the trailer were rotted out. And in many cases, the carpet covering the bunks was in tatters. I bought new bunk carpeting from one of my favorite boat stores, Amazon, and replacement wood from the other boat store, Home Depot, and made new bunks and then put in new galvanized hardware to replace basically the hardware that was there. I had to cut off to get the bunks out. From the bunks, I moved on to the steps. There's a small triangular one in front of the fender and a rectangular one behind the fender. These were plywood that was covered with some carpet, very much like the bunks, and then had a aluminum diamond plate on top of them. The wood was totally gone, so I recreated the wood, coated it with resin and fiberglass to preserve the wood. Once the wooden steps were made and covered with resin, I covered them with the black carpet, basically the same carpet that I used on the bunks, and then attached the diamond plate to the step and attached them to the steel frame on the trailer. And that basically completed the steps on the boat trailer. Now, the last problem I worked on with the trailer was the trailer wiring. This actually took a lot of effort. Didn't take many pictures or videos of this. Mainly you're laying on your back underneath the frame of the trailer. I'm going to say the problems were the back taillights were totally corroded and had to be replaced. Every ground was bad for every light on the trailer. I had to try to get the screws out. In many cases, they had to be drilled out. The holes had to be retapped, and then I had to redo the grounding with stainless steel hardware and stainless steel star washers to reestablish the grounds. And that goes for replacing the plug for the trailer. That was also bad, and I had to fix the ground there, plus replace the pigtail. Somebody had not, they did a really poor job of taking the wiring from the pigtail and putting it into the wire that goes to the harness of the boat trailer. They didn't use heat shrink, butt splices, things like this. Can't say enough bad about who worked on the wiring before me. However, when I was finished, all the wiring did work correctly. So, and that basically was the end of the trailer retrofit to get it back in serviceable condition. I hope you enjoyed episode 9 on the Baja trailer. Please feel free to hit like and subscribe. I appreciate your enthusiasm. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed the episode.